Hi, welcome back my dear students. So in this video I'm going to show you about the cookie, what is cookie in PHP and how can we use a cookie in PHP. Okay, first I will tell you some introduction of PHP cookies. Okay, so let's go for introduction to cookies. So a cookie is a piece of information stored in user's web browser in text format. A web browser may be Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, Opera, and etc. A cookie is stored as one or more name value pairs that may be encrypted for privacy and security purposes. Cookies are also known as web cookies, HTTP cookies, or browser cookies. The web server sends the cookie to the web browser as a part of HTTP header. Whenever the browser requests a page from the web server, the cookie is sent back to the web server in the request so that the website can read information in it and perform necessary tasks such as personalization based on user preferences. Okay, this is the most common point. So a cookie allows you to store up to 4 KB of data, which is a very small amount. A cookie lasts for a fixed period of time. You can set the expired time of a cookie from a few seconds to as long as you want. Especially, you can set cookie expired whenever the web browser is closed. Okay. So the next is, you can see here a client browser and server, a basic diagram. How can a cookie send to the server? In first step, you can see when a user requests a web page to the server, a request goes to the server and the server responds to the user browser with cookie. You can see in the second step, a response is coming from the server with cookies, response plus cookies, and these cookies save to the user browser. Again, if user requests to the server for that website, then this request goes with that cookies which is coming from browser. So the third time in third step, you can see the request plus cookies goes to the server. Okay, so let's see example. How can a cookie work? You can see here is my browser and I am a user. My browser is Google Chrome. From where we can see cookies, we go for settings. You can see here setting, and we can go in advanced. You can see here advanced, and in advanced we can go content setting. Okay, in content setting we can see cookies. Okay, and in cookies we can see all cookies and site data from this option. Click on this option and here you can see all cookies of my browser. There are lots of cookies which is sent by server on my browser, and my browser save these cookies for next time. Okay, for example, if I search amazon.in cookie, you can see here amazon.in. There are 7 cookies from amazon.in on my browser. Let's see. First cookie, ICAC bin. In this cookie you can see here a name, ICAC bin, a content, en/_in, and domain amazon.in, and path, and this / means all the website we can access from this path. Okay, and there are some options like send for, accessible to script, create date of cookies January 12, 2019, and expire date of the cookies January 1st to 2036. So this is a very long time. This is one cookie from amazon.in. We will create a cookie in a local system in our PHP code. So we will take these name, content, path, and created date and expired date. Okay, so I will show you in the practical section how can we write code for setting the cookies. Okay, now let's see another example. Here you can see a cookie which is name is visit count. So let's see this cookie. You can see here the name of the cookie is visit count and content 6 means I visit on Amazon.in 6 times here. Okay, so this is the data the browser save in the cookies form for the server. Okay, so the domain is Amazon.in. So let's see it will increase or not when we hit Amazon.in again. If I hit Amazon.in again, it should be 7. Okay, let's see. Open a new tab and type Amazon.in. I visit Amazon.in. You can see here. Okay, let's check. Back, refresh, and search for Amazon. And in Amazon, visit count. Let's see. Yes, you can see here the visit count is now 7 from to 6 because we hit Amazon.in. Let's see again. Again I hit Amazon.in. What will happen? Back, refresh, and search Amazon. And in Amazon there are 7 cookies and we see visit count. You can see here now the visit count is 8. So you can see the working of cookies. Okay, this is the simple and small example I am showing to you, and in next video we will create and we will write code for cookies in PHP. So we will see how can a cookie work. Okay, so see you in next video.